the eyes all done. Sand it out. So that's going to work. So what we're going to do is we have these neck pieces that we're going to glue together. And these are going to go in here. So we're going to go ahead and glue these so they set up. Then we're going to work on this mouth. We want to round it down, but we need to take some out so the mouth will close, go up over the teeth. So we'll cut this piece out so this will go up. So we're going to work on that. And I'll use my belt sander to round it down some, and then we'll go from there. So first thing, we want to get these glued so they'll set up for us. And we'll let this sit and dry real good, then we can sand it down. And after we get the mouth carved a little bit, we'll be able to put it where we want it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. But being that these are small, we can go ahead and put all three together at once. It's a little bit easier to handle. So I'll clamp this, I'll let it set all day so I get a good tight bond on it. So we're going to let this set up, and then we'll come back with the next part. In the meantime, we're going to work on that mouth and get it rounded down. Thanks for watching.